Hi class, this is a short video to guide us on how to prepare our Chem 241 report. I expect you all to write the title of this experiment. The next thing is the aim of the experiment, that is the purpose for which you are carrying out this experiment. The next is the reagent and apparatuses used during this experiment. For the procedure, since you all have the manual, simply write as described in the manual on page XYZ. Then after all this, we have the result. In this experiment, we have a table containing three columns. The first column is the time in seconds during which this experiment was carried out. The second column is the column for the temperature of pure naphthalene. And the third column is the column for the solution of naphthalene and sulfur. Now, from this table, you'll be able to plot a graph like this that has this curve. Now, the curve A is for the pure naphthalene. From this curve, we can be able to extrapolate the freezing point of the pure naphthalene. Now, here we have what we call super cooling curve for pure naphthalene. The curve B is for the solution of naphthalene and sulfur. Similarly, we can also obtain the freezing point for this solution. As you can see, the freezing point is lower than the pure form of naphthalene. You know what non-volatile solutes can do to the freezing point of pure solvents, like we discussed in the class. Then we have the super cooling curve for the solution of naphthalene and sulfur. What are the possible information we can get from this curve and the given data? We can be able to determine the freezing point of pure naphthalene as earlier stated. Similarly, we can determine the freezing point of the solution of sulfur and naphthalene. We can also find the molality of sulfur from the given data, not this plot. From this molality, we'll be able to calculate the molar mass of sulfur. I hope this short video will be useful to you. Thank you very much.